We're thrilled by our most recent 5-star review from someone that just experienced our great customer service. Our team works hard to go the extra mile for everyone, so this type of review is very rewarding. As you can see, our staff focuses on providing top quality service. We work one-on-one with every individual to ensure we meet their expectations. Complete satisfaction is extremely important to our company. We'll work just as hard to make you happy too, the best way we know how, by providing you with incredible service. Come and see us today. So thank you for visiting us today. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Contact us today and let us give you the same amazing service.